Hey makers, this is Dhruvin and today I wanted to make one announcement that we are starting our new Power BI training batch from August 5, Monday. This time we do have the weekday batch and the timing will be 4 pm to 6:30 pm IST. Now let me talk about what you are going to get throughout this training program. So here is the full curriculum of my training program. You can simply visit the website www.powerplatformtrainings.com and underneath upcoming training you will be able to see this Power BI training. Over here you will be able to get this full curriculum details for yourself. Now in this training program we are going to start the complete Power BI from scratch. So if you are a beginner or if you are a newbie or if you are completely from non-coding background, this program will definitely help you. In this program, we will start our journey with the introduction of the Power BI, and after that we will be talking about how we can get started with the Power BI desktop. Obviously, when you are starting with the Power BI desktop, you need to understand some of the terminology of the Power BI desktop. You also need to consider the licensing expectation. You also need to think about how you can practice throughout this particular training program. In this training program, we are going to provide you some licenses as well to taste the Power BI report into Power BI service as well. Also, we will be talking about the important Power BI terminology like what is report view, what is data view, what is Power Query, what is language, what is Power BI service, what is workspace, how you can publish the report, how you can share the report, entire thing end to end we are going to talk about. Also, we are going to take this complete training with the real life use cases and scenario. We are going to take the different vertical example like finance, sales and much more. We will provide you the sample data source, and on top of that you will build some beautiful report for yourself. Also, we will talk about the data visualization as well in depth, because data visualization is a very important key factor for any Power BI developer. We'll talk about each individual visual, what is the purpose of each visual and what makes your report perfect for the industry ready. We'll talk about all of those aspects in detail. Then we'll talk about some important feature of Power BI, like obviously when you are building the report, some sort of filtering capability, some sort of page level filter, report level filter, visual level filter, trail through filter, all of things you need to consider in your mind. Also, we'll talk about the different complex features like bookmark, selection pen, interaction as well in depth. These are again the question which is asked mostly in the interviews as well. So we'll go through each concept in depth over here. In between that, we have some holiday season as well in the India. So we are having some sort of holiday from 15 to 19 so that you can enjoy your Independence Day along with that long weekend as well. Okay, and one more thing, like if you guys are missing any videos, don't worry. I mean, if you miss any of the class, we are always providing recording to you guys, and recording will be only accessible via our portal and it will come up with 2 years of validity. So if you miss anything, you can always get it to be covered from there. After that, we are going to talk about the Power Query in depth. Power Query again is one terminology that is again very important part of the Power BI report. So we'll talk about that in depth. Then DAX. Again, DAX is a very important, or I can say heart of the Power BI. We'll talking about the different DAX expression in detail with this particular class. So we have 2 dedicated classes only for DAX and DAX. Okay, then we'll talk about like for industry ready report, it's not just you are building the report and publish it, you are managing security of the report as well. We'll talk about the UI UX, security, data gateway, also like how you can manage row level security, okay, workspace level security, app level security, how you can manage those, everything. We'll talk about those in depth into this particular classes. Then we'll talk about the integration with the other Power Platform product. So again, Power BI is falling under the Power Platform, and also it's a key integral or one of the important umbrella of Microsoft Fabric as well. So we are going to talk about like how you can best integrate your Power BI with Power Apps and Power Automate. We'll talk about some real life use cases, licensing and all the aspects in detail. So that's the overall curriculum, or that's the overall idea about my training. If you need more information about fee or anything, the WhatsApp number is available in the description box, and website link is also available in the description box. You can directly connect us on WhatsApp or directly call us on the number which is mentioned in the description box. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.